Learn about essential oils and discover how they can be used for aromatherapy, personal care, and home cleaning in this Essential Oils Guide. Essential Oils Guide. What are essential oils? Essential oils have been used for centuries in various cultures for their natural fragrance, flavor, and therapeutic properties. They are highly concentrated plant extracts that can be used for a variety of purposes, including aromatherapy, personal care, and home cleaning. We will explore what essential oils are, their benefits, usage, and how to use them safely. What are essential oils? Essential oils are the essence of the plant and contain its natural fragrance and flavor. They are obtained through various methods, such as steam distillation, cold pressing, or CO2 extraction. Each essential oil has a unique chemical composition, which is why they can have different effects on the body and mind. Essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. The benefits of essential oils. Why should you use essential oils? Essential oils have been shown to have several benefits, including improving mood and reducing stress. Essential oils such as lavender, bergamot, and frankincense have a calming and relaxing effect on the body and mind, which can help reduce stress and improve mood. Promoting relaxation and sleep. Essential oils such as chamomile, valerian root, and ylang ylang have a relaxing effect and can promote better sleep. Supporting skin health and hydration. Essential oils such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, and rosehip oil are excellent for moisturizing and supporting skin health. Antimicrobial properties. Some essential oils, such as tea tree, eucalyptus, and thyme, have antimicrobial properties and can be used as natural cleaners. How to use essential oils safely. Essential oils are safe and effective when used properly, but it is important to use them responsibly and safely. Here are some guidelines to follow. Consult a healthcare professional. Always consult a healthcare professional before using essential oils and make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended usage guidelines. Dilution. Essential oils should never be ingested or used undiluted on the skin. Always dilute them with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, before applying them to the skin. Storage. Essential oils should be stored in a cool, dark place and kept away from children and pets. Patch test. Always perform a patch test before using an essential oil on a large area of skin. Conventional medicine. Never use an essential oil in place of conventional medicine without first consulting a doctor. Examples of popular essential oils and their uses. Here are some popular essential oils and how they can be used. Lavender. This essential oil is known for its calming and relaxing properties. It can be used in an essential oil diffuser, added to bathwater, or applied to the skin with a carrier oil, for example, coconut oil. Peppermint. Peppermint essential oil has a refreshing and invigorating scent. It can be used in an essential oil diffuser, added to shower gel, or applied to the temples to help relieve headaches. Eucalyptus. This essential oil is known for its antibacterial properties and can be used in cleaning products or added to a steamy shower for respiratory relief. Tea tree. Tea tree essential oil is known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It can be used in skincare products, added to laundry detergent, or used as a natural cleaner. In conclusion, essential oils can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it is crucial to use them responsibly and safely.